This next one's off our new record. It's called Under the Neon, and it's one of those songs that got written before the thing actually happened. Kind of like Certain Kind of Woman. Chris wrote that song about a terrible woman, and then he met the terrible woman afterwards. Yeah. So yeah. So this is kind of the same way. This one's called Under the Neon. This one goes out to my girl Carrie.
Friday night, sitting at the bar, lonely fool, wishing on a lone star. Turned my head and saw you walk through the door, sundress and boots, and I can't take no more. Your smile is knocking me off my feet. I keep on hoping that our eyes will meet. You look so good under the neon. Got a shoulder you can lean on, while our feet are moving to the beat of the song. I'm holding you in my arms so strong. You're the kind of high I wanna be on. So hold on tight and let me lead on. The way you're moving really turns me on. You look so good under the neon. All I wanna do is ask for a dance, but I wonder if you'll give me a chance. I've gotta drink enough to work up the nerve, but not so much that I stumble or swerve. I should just walk over and offer my hand, but my knees get weak when I try to stand. You look so good under the neon. I've got a shoulder you can lean on, while our feet are moving to the beat of the song. I'm holding you in my arms so strong. You're the kind of high I wanna be on. So hold on tight and let me lead on. The way you're moving really turns me on. You look so good under the neon. And now we're out here just twirling around. I'm mighty glad you didn't turn me down. Almost closing time, and here we are. One last dance, one last lone star. You pulled me close and whispered in my ear. You said the thing that I most wanted to hear. You wanna find some place where we can be alone. Yeah, baby, I think I can get you home. You look so good under the neon. I've got a shoulder you can lean on,
Thank y'all.